It's one in this bitch.
Yo.
No cap. Stun it. We back in this shit, man.
We ain't outside though.
Today I'm at Polo's crib. You know what I'm saying? That boy in the building. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. And we done bought y'all a fucking cooking channel, goddamn. We done fucking bought y'all a motherfucking cooking channel, goddamn, because we about to learn how to fucking cook. We goddamn had a good sparring session today on the Hush. I'm not showing y'all that yet until I get fully nice, feel me? I'm a little rusty, you know what I'm saying? I got it in me, so don't tempt me now. Don't tempt me.
Tornado kick at my head, motherfucker.
What you said?
I said, you done did a tornado kick at my head. Fuck you talking about rusty?
I ain't that rusty, but I still beat a nigga to a pulp, but I ain't as good as I used to be type shit. So we eating after our sparring session, but of course we gotta cook the food first. We can't just go out and eat. We could, but we just wanted to put it in the work.
But we don't need to use the fresh onion.
Alright, we
don't got no palate.
So we got the meat. I just chopped it up, and we cleaning it right now with the vinegar, some lemon, and some salt. And over here we got the pots on the stove. You know what I'm saying? We got the pots on the stove, goddamn. We about to make some pasta and some grilled chicken. I got the little cooking routine videos.
While it's resting,
Let's show them what we doing real quick. Show them the meal from the beginning. Show them what we trying to make.
We're gonna see how ours come out. Ours is gonna come out better than
this. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. So that's what we making for today, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. And we're gonna get back to it. So now we about to season and shit. I was gonna just skip and show y'all the end product, but I think I'm gonna just, you know what I'm saying, show y'all the little ones and twos in here. I don't know how much, not too much obey, right? Obey's for seafood.
That's what I'm trying to see. Cause the thing is, I'm trying to see, cause it looked like she's using the amount of chicken we using. And I'm trying to look at like the type of plate.
Okay, now it's time to season the chicken breast. I for the
yeah, nah, she got a big ass plate.
Alright, we just blended up some of the onions. Polo don't know how to work the damn machine. I seasoned the chicken. Looking nice and right now. Yeah, man.
Oh, is my timer running too, so we know when to take that take this pasta off? Oh, okay, yeah, we got 1 minute left on that.
We got the pasta boiling right now. Showing y'all how I brown this chicken up real quick, man. You know, play no games in the kitchen. Y'all remember the last thing I cooked on the vlog? That shit knocked my head off. I'd even show y'all the finished product after that, but this time I'm gonna show y'all for you. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. So y'all see how this food look? Look at all that seasoning. Now look at the food. Oh my god. Oh my god. The chicken is cracked right now. Now we're chopping up the chicken after it's done brown. Got a few more pieces left.
Bye guys.
Ah shit. Y'all, I don't think y'all fucking with us. Hold on. Cook better than your bitch.
Better than your bitch's mama and grandmama too.
Oh God.
Hold on, look at that.
Alright, don't be eating the food, bro. Come on, stop. Yo.
Okay, this shit's actually really good.
Don't be sticking your finger in that motherfucker. Hold on. But yeah, we about to get busy on the ones and twos now. Hold on. It's so good. This nigga don't even know what to do himself.
Nah, this shit is actually gas.
Oh my god. Look, the leg is up, y'all. The leg is up. Food is busting.
She said, remember guys, it's restaurant quality.
Yes. Restaurant quality. Don't fuck around. How to put the palm on there. How to put the palm cheese on there. Had to.
Four
this nigga's
shots.
looking at AI bitch right now.
A Jamaican Chinese girl in bikini. Okay. She got nice toes and a big butt. Let's see how this looks. And it's gonna be a pink sky.
It's loading. That's crazy. It's actually loading, y'all. Let's see. Polo making a bad bitch, y'all. He making a bad bitch. He said he about to make an OF.
I'm making OnlyFans. Gonna be a fake OnlyFans.
AI is building bitches, y'all. It's a dangerous world out here now. If this shit goes to the end of the bar and a bad bitch pop up, I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh my... What?
My Jamaican Chinese girl. Hold on, let me see her face.
What? And they gave different bathing suits with different poses and what?
Let me zoom in. Hold on, let's zoom in on the Jamaican Chinese girl real quick. Down. Ooh,
that's his other bitch he made. Butt ass naked. What?
We can make it better too. You see it's a little glitchy on the side, but we can make it better. We can make it better. Hold on.
Wait. Show the other two that it made. What, bro? Oh, that purple one is. Oh my. What? Yeah. There's no way.
Oh, this
AI
one says
just
not
built a bitch for me. Nah, this is going on the blog for shit.
Oh no, this
is one in this bitch. Blue chain alert. Hold on. No cap. Scun it. We back in this shit, man. So today we at Home Depot. I low-key got a special guest. I'm about to help him. Help me because he about to join the Rug Doctor vibes. What's good, y'all? And he about to make these custom rugs with me. So let's get it. We got my boy Nate in the building. We outside. We about to give my boy some tacks for his board because he built the whole frame and don't got no tacks on it. What'd you say you was using?
I used some screws. That shit.
Nigga is bugging out. That's why. And then what happened?
Bro, that shit did not work. I had to cut that shit on with the clamps. I was shooting holes through this shit and it was working.
Exactly, shooting exactly holes, literally. So we about to help him get some. Hold up, my fault. Excuse me? Nah, yeah, but we're gonna get my boy right. Get him some tacks for his frame. And then we outside. We're gonna show y'all the finished product. We're in the Home Depot run right now. I'm just vlogging, trying to catch the whole jogging. Same side. But yeah, man. Tell him what you do. Tell him what you do.
Oh shit. No, I don't do my business.
Stop capping. Tell him what you do. Say it again. What you do?
I get security and I'm on my business.
Oh my God. Now you made me forget what Alshie said. Now you pissing me off. Yo, wait. Excuse me. Where could I get thumbnail tacks from? Like a tack board? I think she said 40. Like for the carpet.
Yeah. Take this out. It's on the back.
On the left?
No problem. Yeah, on the left side.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. But like I said, man, we outside.
Yeah, you know I'm dripped up right now too. You know, late night.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, I got the PJs, Crocs.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, if it ain't cozy, don't wear it.
Like, for real, shorty. You was bugging out.
Yeah.
This nigga pointed us to the wrong direction. What the fuck he said? Oh, it's right here. Okay. All right. So look, this what you need right here, my boy.
How much yeah, no price tag. How much these are? Like,
that boy cashing out, man. Not gonna lie, you need this. This is about to look $7. I'll tell you.
Card on the con.
700,000.
Card on the con.
You better stop playing. Yeah, okay. Hold on. Oh shit!
I told you.
I'm about to say. I thought you said it's gone.
Exactly. Exactly. I always say that.
Yeah.
I told her that too.
Home Depot run not too crazy. You want to introduce yourself to my vlog too or not? What you want to say? Follow him, follow me, follow you.
Follow you.
No, follow you. This for you. They know who I am already. Oh, okay. Follow me, she's saying. I appreciate the support. High five. Okay. Nah, but like I said, a quick Home Depot run.
You know how this shit work.
Yeah.
Fuck up. My car just declined. We just stole.
Okay, that boy starting his shit from over here.
Yeah.
What type of time are you on? Let me find out you're tweaking out. I bet you won't be able to come in around no more.
Hey,
like what? Like
never that.
Oh wait.
Never
Ever. Gotta go around to the other side.
Yeah.
Baby, you damn sure, but you so sexy, I'm still gonna temper. You don't accept attention, just like a baby, I run it, get eyes like a pimple. I think she got all the answers, I know I got all the answers, that's why